Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to save your document to PDF or turn your document to PDF in WPS Office and mobile. So first, just open your app, the WPS app, and then after that, just open your document that you want to turn or that you want to turn into that you want to turn or that you want to save into PDF, and then for example like this, and then after that just tap on save this one, and then in here just choose the locations where you want to save your files. For example, in here I want to choose phone, and then I want to save it at download like this, and then in here just turn the docs docs types on here to PDF like this, and then just give a name to your files. For example, files PDF like this, and then just like that just tap on export as PDF, and just like that your files will be exported to PDF or turned to PDF. And when you want to view it, just view these files like this. You can see it's already saved to PDF. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.